Welcome back to Halloween week on Speakeasy Spirits. Today's cocktail is my own original recipe. It's a riff on The Last Word, one of my favorite cocktails of all time. I call this version the Epitaph. Like The Last Word, this is going to be an equal parts cocktail. So we're going to start with a shaker tin and 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Now we need 3/4 of an ounce of a London Dry gin. I'm going to use Bombay Sapphire, but any London Dry or contemporary gin will do here. Again, this is going to be 3/4 of an ounce. Since it's Halloween, our next ingredient is going to be this blood red pomegranate liqueur. Pomegranate, being a fall fruit, really works well here. And we're going to need 3/4 of an ounce. And just like The Last Word, the final ingredient is Chartreuse, but we're going to use yellow Chartreuse instead of the green. And again, we need 3/4 of an ounce. Now, if you can't find yellow Chartreuse, Strega is a good alternative. Now, we're going to shake this over ice for about 15 seconds. Now, to keep the Halloween theme, we're going to use a coupe glass with a black sugar rim. If you don't have sugar, that's fine. You can go without it. And last, for our garnish, we're going to go with a lemon corpse, or dehydrated lemon wheel. There you have the Epitaph. Now, I'll be honest, I haven't made this before. It's a recipe I came up with in the last week while I was thinking about some Halloween-themed cocktails. But this is good. Half the sweetness in this is coming from the pomegranate liqueur, and it adds a nice fruity sweetness. The other half is coming from the yellow chartreuse, which is sweetened with honey, so it's got some nice, bold flavors. It's got the right balance of acid and sweet. The gin brings in some floral notes, and the lemon brings just enough acid to balance everything out. This is a really good cocktail. This for sure is going in my book. What's that? A book? This is the prototype of my cocktail recipe book. The final version is probably going to be in both paperback and a hardback. This is just a 3-ring binder right now, where I go through my recipes. It includes notes on the history of the original cocktail these are based on, and my thought process in designing the modern version. It's also going to include my own recipes for my homemade syrups and other ingredients, and a lot of tips and tricks that you can use behind the bar. Now, I don't know when this is going to be available yet, but when it is, it'll be up on the Speakeasy Spirits store. The link is in the description below. I hope you liked the video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.